crib. I can't find the crib.
Hey, what's up, guys? So today is the day, finally comes. We got Edgar right here slaving away at all the easy parts. You know, we got the manual out here. We taking out the head today. We got the distributor off already. We got the intake off already. The battery off. But for real, we already took off the whole left side of the head. We already took off the headers. We're just keeping it in place with like 2 bolts. We got him doing the motor mounts right now. All that's left is the intake manifold and sending this baby out to the to Tokyo, Japan. Hopefully I start gapping 5.0s like it's nothing. But oh yeah, we're gonna get copyright with that song. That's gonna be your fault if we get copyrighted.
You know, fuck that.
No, relax. But yeah, we'll give you an update. This is only day 2, so honestly we might finish today. I'm fucking shy all of a sudden. I'm fucking shy. Alright, we'll be right back. Alright guys, so we're back. Giving you a quick update. Connected all the hoses on the left. Disconnected the header on the back. This is how she looks right now. Look at that. Wait, slow mo.
Ride me like we in no race. I make her yell out to the neighbors my name. I eat that shit up like some white frosted flakes.
Yes sir. Now all we need to do, 2 camshaft covers, take off the timing belt, and then we can take off the head once you remove the camshaft, and that's it. We need to take off the intake manifold first. Alright guys, so we got to the part where we're at the cam covers. I'm gonna act like I know what I'm doing. Alright, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright guys, so we made it this far. These are called cam caps. Look up the tightening sequence. So it's 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, or 7.
Yeah. 7 straight up here.
Yeah. And that's 8.
Yeah. Wait, why does the tightening sequence matter?
Wait, it's in the engine, bro? Any little fucking discrepancy? Fuck! Do 1 little Newton meter to the left, 1 little Newton meter to the right. Fuck!
There.
Alright. I like to put honey in my engines. It makes it smell nicer. By the way, guys, the key to any rebuild or to any engine or to anything, like even getting a girlfriend, organization. You want to organize yourself, alright? Yeah, I'm looking at you with that laundry pile of dirty underwear on that chair in your bedroom, okay? Come on, dude, what's that about? Come on, it's been 3 weeks. So, what I'm gonna do, I recommend bags, but I don't have bags. This is plastic wrap. I'm gonna wrap them and I'm just gonna like an asshole. We never ever say we're on a budget, okay?
Yo, do you have fucking
Never say you're on a budget. So this is what I'm gonna do, okay? So you label them, just give them a little skirt with tape, and then just mark the number. If you're gonna do this, you're gonna do it right, okay? Take it on a date. Leave a comment below if I should gap Mustangs. Subscribe if you want to see it happen.
Don't even start.
If you think GSR is the best car in the world, go ahead and leave it a like. Dude, it's running lean, dude, I swear.
Not yours.
I know, his is running lean too. He's gonna give GSRs a bad name, okay?
Slap a fucking intake.
Dude, chill out. Alright guys, we got the top of the valve train kind of already settled and organized. Got Edgar here doing a little henchman stuff.
Fuck you, dog.
So we're kind of working backwards here, but it's alright. Pretty much almost done. It's just like 2 bolts on the intake manifold and the cam gears, and we're literally set. We're literally golden. Boom. Alright guys, we literally got it down to the camshafts. Check it out. Camshafts out.
I took the camshafts out.
He took it out in this redneck way that I don't recommend, which is why I didn't film it. But I have the valve train kind of assembled here. If I ever put it back, I know exactly how it goes. These you can't really mistake, but it's just a precaution. But yeah, this is how we're leaving it for today. This dude has to go to a gay strip club or something. So leave it at that. Do you guys tomorrow, but for you guys it'll be 5 seconds.